You just found the 2023 Nissan Rogue. Start planning your family road trips in this comfortable, well-equipped Rogue. This clever crossover offers plenty of space and thoughtful creature comforts to keep your crew relaxed and eager for adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, electronic stability control, power driver seat, alarm, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, dual zone AC, rear spoiler, intermittent wipers. Feel energized in this sporty Rogue. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.